What up, Hot Shots? Say for the month of June, we are going to be having a sale on our designer-inspired dog clothing. So check it out. We have this little Nike t-shirt right here, half off, guys. Usually it's $40. It's going to be $20 in store only. Look, I'm going to show you guys another one. We have this awesome little Fendi t-shirt for the fur babies. And we also have this one right here. Look, Chicago Bulls 23. Hey, if you guys want to take advantage of these sales, come through to the Hot Shot Pet Shop located in East Palmdale, Avenue S and 47th Street. I'll see you guys at the pet shop. Let's go.